Hey, so this lesson is going to be the first lesson of two-part series, 50 most common Lithuanian verbs. Okay, so we'll be looking at the most common verbs. We'll be looking some examples with these verbs. So just go ahead, maybe practice together with me, maybe repeat after me so that you can practice just a little bit Lithuanian with this particular lesson. You can have it in the background, just listening to the words. Both of these ways will work for you definitely. So let's immediately start. So the first verb, the most common verb in probably any language, in Lithuanian is no exception, is going to be the verb to be. To be. So to be is būti. Būti. Now, I am your friend, right? So I am would be aš esu tavo draugas. Aš esu tavo draugas. Now I have the esu in parentheses because we tend to not use the verb to be in the present tense in affirmative sentences. And sometimes even in questions too, just in the negative. Okay, so I'm your friend, aš tavo draugas, or aš esu tavo draugas, right? Now, the second verb is going to be to have. To have. So to have is turėti. Turėti. So now, I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of friends. You can try this one if you know a little bit of Lithuanian. That would be aš turiu daug draugų. Of what I have a lot of friends, a draugų genitive case. I have a lot of friends. Aš turiu daug draugų. Aš turiu daug draugų. Now, to go or to walk is eiti. Eiti, right? To go, to walk is eiti. Eiti. Because to go, that would be eiti, and to walk, just going on foot also means eiti, right? But just so that you know, this word eiti, as in walking, can mean both driving, riding, whatever way of crawling, whatever way of going somewhere, it can be eiti. So I go and I am going would be aš einu, or it can even be aš ateinu. Now, in this situation, ateiti would even be to come, right? But we're using it when translating I am going. We would also be using this one, aš ateinu. I am going, aš ateinu. Aš ateinu. Or you can even say aš einu. That would also mean the same thing, aš einu, I am going. So even though the prefix ateinu gives sort of a completion, but in this situation, because going is sort of a continuous action in and of itself, it's the same meaning basically. I go, I'm going, aš einu, aš ateinu. So now to do, to make would be daryti. Daryti. So I do it every day. I do it every day is aš darau tai kiekvieną dieną. Aš darau tai kiekvieną dieną. Aš darau, the ending O, present tense. I do it every day. Aš darau tai kiekvieną dieną. Aš darau tai kiekvieną dieną. So to say is sakyti. Sakyti. To say, sakyti. Sakyti. Now, he says it, or he said it, would be he says it, would be jis sako tai. Now, he said it, it could be jis sakė, or since we have completion, because it's the past, we can add the prefix and we can say jis pasakė tai. Jis pasakė tai. Both of those are correct, right? So he says it, jis sako tai. He said it, jis sakė tai, or jis pasakė tai. You can, by the way, add tai before you can say jis tai sako, jis tai sakė, jis tai pasakė. Tai can go before the verb. Can and to be able, or just to be able to, would be galėti. Galėti, right? Galėti. Galėti. So now, can you help me? Can you help me? That would be ar gali man padėti? Ar gali man padėti? Basically, you're saying you can help me, and you're adding ar at the front, and now you have a question, right? Can you help me? Ar gali man padėti? Ar gali man padėti? Now, to know is žinoti. Žinoti. So I know the answer. Would be aš žinau ką atsakymą. Accusative, right? I know the answer. Aš žinau atsakymą. Aš žinau atsakymą. Now, I just want to say something that to know žinoti, so žinoti doesn't work for to know like a person. If you said like I know him, that would be pažinoti. You add prefix pa. That means to know as a person, to know as somebody, right? So once again, I know the answer would be aš žinau atsakymą. So to know žinoti, I know the answer, aš žinau atsakymą, aš žinau atsakymą. Now to see is matyti, matyti, matyti. So now, do you see it? Do you see it? Ar tu tai matai? Ar tu tai matai, right? Do you see it? Ar tu tai matai? Ar tu tai matai? You can just sometimes move it even tai and just say, do you see it? Ar tu matai? Like, do you see? Instead of adding tai, like it. It's not the same it, like it's a similar verb, word, I'm sorry, but we don't use it as much in Lithuanian, right? Now, to want is norėti, norėti. Now, I want to help you. I want to help you is aš noriu tau padėti, right? Aš noriu tau padėti. I want to help you. Aš noriu tau padėti. Aš noriu tau padėti. So, to get or receive would be gauti. Gauti. So now I got the present from her. I got the present from her. Aš gavau dovaną iš jos or nuo jos. So nuo or iš. Aš gavau dovaną nuo jos or iš jos. Both of those are used in spoken Lithuanian definitely. I got the present from her. Aš gavau dovaną nuo jos or aš gavau dovaną iš jos. More common is nuo jos because the present is from somebody. Therefore, you're using nuo. Now, to work would be dirbti. Dirbti. To work, dirbti. Dirbti. So now, I work with her. I work with her. That would be aš dirbu su ja. Aš dirbu su ja. Dirbu, right? Present tense. I have an u. Aš dirbu su ja. I work with her. Aš dirbu su ja. Su kuo? Su ja. Now, to speak or to talk would be kalbėti or kalbėtis if it's reflexive verb, or pakalbėti, and the kalbėtis becomes pasikalbėti if we add the prefix, right? The si part adds over here. We call it dalelytė, see, like particles, si, it's reflexive. It makes the verb reflexive, like pasikalbėti, like do the action ourselves, right? So to speak or to talk, kalbėti, kalbėtis, pakalbėti, pasikalbėti. I want to talk to her. I want to talk to her. That would be aš noriu pasikalbėti su ja or aš noriu pakalbėti su ja. Both of those are completely okay. You can use both of those. I want to talk to her. Aš noriu pasikalbėti su ja, or you can move si and say pakalbėti su ja. Aš noriu pakalbėti su ja, aš noriu pasikalbėti su ja. Now, to think would be galvoti or manyti. Manyti. Now, like literal meaning of thinking, that would be galvoti. Manyti is more like to have an opinion. When you say like I think this and that, that means you have an opinion. So that's manyti. So for example, I think about you and I don't think so. Two sentences, right? I think about you and I don't think so. So aš galvoju apie tave, that's I think about you or I'm thinking about you. But I don't think so. That would be aš taip nemanau. So like this, like that. That would be taip. Like yes, the same word. Aš taip nemanau. I think about you. Aš galvoju apie tave. I don't think so. Aš taip nemanau. Aš taip nemanau. Now to give would be duoti. 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 So now give me your number. Give me your number would be duok man savo numerį. Duok man savo numerį. Right? Or duokite if it's plural and I'm addressing somebody formally. Duokite man savo numerį. Give me your number, duok man savo numerį. Now to live is gyventi. Gyventi. So I live here is aš čia gyvenu or aš gyvenu čia. I live here. Aš čia gyvenu, aš gyvenu čia. I live here. Aš čia gyvenu, aš gyvenu čia. I live here. So to read would be skaityti, or if I add prefix, it adds completion, perskaityti. So to read, skaityti, perskaityti, skaityti, perskaityti. So now I read every day, or I read that book. So one of them has completion, right? So that would be aš skaitau kiekvieną dieną, I read every day, or I read that book would be aš perskaičiau tą knygą. Aš perskaičiau tą knygą. I read every day, aš skaitau kiekvieną dieną, I read that book, aš perskaičiau tą knygą. Aš perskaičiau tą knygą. Now to write would be rašyti. Rašyti. To write, rašyti. So write your name here. Write your name here. Write your name here. That would be parašyk, or plural parašykite čia savo vardą. Right? So plural is not necessarily for multiple people, but if I'm addressing someone formally, right? Write your name here, parašyk čia savo vardą, or parašykite if it's formal or plural, parašykite čia savo vardą. Now to eat is valgyti. Valgyti, another very common verb, right? Of course, very important one. That would be, what do you want to eat? Like this in practice sentence, right? What do you want to eat? How would you say, what do you want to eat? Ką tu nori valgyti? Ką tu nori valgyti? Ką tu nori valgyti? To drink, gerti, or išgerti. Once again, the prefix adds completion, like išgerti, to finish something, finish drinking something up, right? For example, I can atsigerti a little bit, gerti just to drink, or išgerti, finish up my coffee, for example, right? That would be like the drink, like would be išgerti, okay? So now I drank 3 cups of coffee today, or I have drunk 3 cups of coffee today. That would be aš išgėriau 3 puodelius kavos šiandien, in the past, right? It's you would use, if correct English, you would use present perfect over here. You would say, I have drunk 3 cups of coffee already today. But in Lithuanian, just simple past, right? Aš išgėriau 3 puodelius kavos šiandien. Aš išgėriau 3 puodelius kavos šiandien. Now to sleep is miegoti. Miegoti. So now, when will you go to sleep? When will you go to sleep? Kada eisi miegoti? Kada eisi miegoti, right? When will you go to sleep? Kada eisi miegoti? Kada eisi miegoti? To love would be mylėti. Mylėti. So, of course, I'm going to put this one. I love you. How would you say I love you to somebody? I love you would be aš myliu tave. Aš myliu tave, right? Aš myliu tave. I love you, aš myliu tave. So to learn or to study would be išmokti or mokytis. So mokytis is to study. To learn also means like to learn something, to complete the studying process. That would be išmokti. Išmokti. So to learn išmokti, to study mokytis. So I'm studying Lithuanian language. I'm studying Lithuanian language would be aš mokausi lietuvių kalbos. Aš mokausi lietuvių kalbos, right? I'm studying Lithuanian language. Aš mokausi lietuvių kalbos. Aš mokausi lietuvių kalbos. To help would be padėti. Padėti. To help, padėti, right? Padėti. So I help him every day. I help him every day would be aš padedu jam kiekvieną dieną. Aš padedu jam kiekvieną dieną. I help him every day. Aš padedu jam kiekvieną dieną. Aš padedu jam kiekvieną dieną. Now to wait is laukti or palaukti. Laukti or palaukti. To wait, laukti, palaukti. So just palaukti, the prefix, just to wait a little bit, okay? So to wait, laukti, palaukti. Laukti, palaukti. So now wait for me. Wait for me would be palauk manęs čia. So wait for me here would be palauk manęs čia. Wait for me would be just simply palauk manęs. But wait for me here, palauk manęs čia. Palauk manęs čia. Now to play is žaisti. Žaisti. So my favorite sentence for practice, I play tennis. I play tennis would be aš žaidžiu tenisą. Now, žaidžiu, the ending follows a very specific pattern. We have this žaidžiu, assimilated the ž sound, right? Aš žaidžiu tenisą, not žaidu, but žaidžiu tenisą. Žaidžiu tenisą, okay? So this is the part 1 of our top 50 most common Lithuanian verbs. If you want more words and phrases, be sure to download the PDF and audiobook that I have in the description and in the comment section. You will find it. Just click on it, download it. It's my free gift to you. And I will very soon upload part 2 where you can just study the most common verbs furthermore. Thank you and bye.